Dirty or clogged air ducts can seriously mess with your home's air quality and make your heating and cooling system work way harder than it needs to. So, first off, schedule professional duct cleaning every couple of years to get rid of all the dust and gunk hiding inside. It's not just about looking clean. Clean ducts mean better airflow, which keeps your energy bills lower. Next, don't sleep on changing your air filters regularly, like every 3 months or so, because a fresh filter traps dirt before it even reaches your ducts. You can also use vacuum attachments to clean the vents and registers yourself, just to keep dust from piling up. Try to keep your home as dust-free as possible by vacuuming and dusting often. If you notice any weird smells or more dust than usual, that's a sign to check your ducts and filters sooner. Also, sealing any leaks in your duct system helps stop dirt and allergens from sneaking in. Finally, consider upgrading to high-quality filters if allergies or asthma are a problem in your house. One of the biggest issues with dirty air ducts is reduced airflow, which makes your HVAC system less efficient and drives up utility bills. Fix this by getting ducts cleaned and filters changed on time. Another common mistake is ignoring mold buildup inside the ducts, which can cause serious health problems. You need professional cleaning and possibly mold treatment to clear this up. Lastly, people often forget to seal duct leaks, letting dust and allergens in and wasting energy. Sealing leaks with mastic or metal tape is a simple fix that makes a big difference. BigHomeProjects.com is great for anyone needing reliable local contractors because it connects homeowners with trusted pros who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find new projects and grow their business without all the hassle.